Uh, Welcome to another video on Williams FX channel. Right about now, we're talking about how to perfectly your support and your resistance lines, and then we could add the trend lines along the line. And I want to keep this video very short. Most people find it difficult to draw their support and trend lines, thereby they miss out on various opportunities in the market. Now, the market presents itself to us and wants us to make the best use of it. And if you're making the best use of the market, you're actually doing something wrong. And that's what I'm going to show you right now, how to take good use of the market. We'll be looking at it on the top-down analysis level, and let's get to it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. There'll be giveaway coming soon for old subscribers. We'll be giving out free trading balance to anyone, something between $50 and the like. We'll be giving out free trading balance. Kindly subscribe, drop a comment below, because we'll be picking out those that have subscribed, that liked our videos, and in the comment section below. So stay watch for that. So let's get to the video quickly. So we are on a pair, we are on USD CHF. It's quite clear. And then we are on the daily time frame right here. We're on the daily time frame, daily. Then you want to get your zones, okay? Now, most people will just draw like this because it's clear enough to see, okay? Now, let us have our zones drawn out. We have a top zone here. We have a top zone here. And we don't want to start with too much lines, okay? And then I love picking my lowest point. Very important to pick your lowest point. It could be, that lowest point could be resonating with something from months back and years ago. So you don't want to stretch it. You can see that from 1994 to this moment, this is our top zone. And we have something around here. Now we are confused as to where we should put our line, because it's intersecting here and it's intersecting here. It's crossing our lines. Likewise here too. That takes me to changing it to the line chart. Now, using the line chart, you will see clearly where you should put your support and your resistance, okay? So mostly I pick my highest point in the market and I pick my lowest point in the market. First off, those are the first things that we do. You pick your highest point and the lowest point in the market according to my daily chart. And then I pick obvious zones, okay? I pick obvious zones. Here was an obvious zone when we checked it on the candlestick, and we have something here. We can see that the zone is clearly showing that here was a support and has resistance here like 3 different times, okay? It touched it more here. So we ignore the other one and assume it's a fake out, okay? And then we have it here, and here. So we can pick up this place, and yeah, we can go back to our daily time frame. And boom, here you go. Your daily time frame. Your daily time frame. Here you go. Now, this is it. We have it now down to 2014. We've drawn our lines. It's visible. Now let's go back to our candlesticks. Okay, so we have a zone here. We can see that there is a breakout. Now, you can identify all these breakouts with your rectangular shape here, with your rectangle, to draw the mini support and the mini resistance. But the major ones, go to your line chart and have them pushed out quickly. And then let's zoom into our chart now that we have our major zones. Let's zoom into our chart. I would like to do this to my chart to indicate this was done from our frame, all right? To indicate this was done from our daily time frame. Likewise, this one. Likewise, this one. And as you can see, it's clearer now. Now you know that these came from the daily time frame. You can actually name them. And have daily resistance 1, and you have it here. This is our daily resistance 1. So we know that when it gets there, we are seeing something really, really strong, and we have daily support 1, which will be here. Our daily support 1, and I think we should call this one a support 2. So we'll call this one our daily support 1, and then we'll call the last one down there our daily support 2. It's a support right now, so we have our daily support 2. Okay, so daily support 2. So there you have it, guys. And we can go to the 4 hours time frame. So we expand this out, and then we look into 2020. Now in 2020, yes, here you have it, 2020. Now this is the frame that we will be working with now. This whole frame is where we'll be right now. All right. Now we need to get our zones here, our resistance, our support, and all that. So we have a zone here. Now you can go back to the line chart, refer back to the line chart, and have your zones mapped out nice and clear. All right. Now I have one here. Now in order to confuse yourself, you can get this one to another color, okay, and reduce the thickness if you want. Now seeing this one, I know it's my 4 hours, okay, and this is my 4-hour resistance here, and here. All right, we have something here. Possibly there will be a wick here that will be connecting things. Oh, there is no wick. Okay, I could use this one to map out this zone, knowing fully well that the price respected the zone here before dropping down. Okay, so we have another zone here. Like I told you, this is the best way to get your zones out. Okay, so back to my line, I want to get a point here, and I feel there is a point down here. So we'll use this line to pick a point here. I see the point really forming up. And here we have it. Here, kind of here. So well-respected zone. So, and then we are seeing something here. But I'm just going to put my rectangle down there to highlight that zone. So back to the candlesticks. Here you have it. So you know what the market's about to do now. We have seen what the market's about to do. Okay. So we are coming down now. So you can go to your 1-hour chart and get more details on this location right here, this very location, and scale down to the 1-hour chart and get more on this location right here to get more of your zones, more of your points, more of the minor supports, more of the minor resistance. But if you want to be a good trader, you should trade on your 4 hours, trade on your daily time frame, go down to your 1 hour, 30 minutes to pick entry. All right. So we have the market testing our zone right here, and bouncing off. So we should see a rally up to this resistance up here. So basically, that is what we should be expecting. That's what we should be expecting. We should be expecting the rally up to this point, yeah. We should expect the rally up to that point. So if it doesn't happen, then the market is possibly respecting a new level that it has created here. Let's check out that level on the 1 hour time frame. Let's check out the level on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, there is a level trying to form here. The market is trying to create a level in between here that the level was supported. This level support was support here. I think I should give this one a new color, you know. Should give it some color. Fill it up with some color. Hold on. Okay, I think it doesn't want to work, so we'll let it be. Okay, so we have the zone here, support here, break and retest, and we have a drop. Now we have a support, we have the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and then a drop, and then a new zone trying to form it. So rally up to this zone, break this zone, retest this zone, and that is how you have it, guys. Your support and your resistance level. Every other thing aside this would actually be a fake out or something happening in the market. We could see that it broke out of the zone here. We tested the zone, but didn't do much. Came back down because why? This is a fake out. This is a fake out. So on a lighter note, this is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you the things that have worked for me and how it works in the market. And you can actually apply these methods on your charts, on your demo, and see how it works out. No fancy indicator, no fancy lines all over the place. All you just have is your support, your resistance, and possibly your trend lines, which I don't really like drawing most of the time. You have your trend lines if you want to, and yeah, you can have your trend line if you want to. We've had this point, and the first point, the second point, your trend line should be touching the top. This is 1 year almost, and then 2. So we're expecting possibly a touch here, before here, and then before here. So as you can see, this is how it works. This is how it works. Now, if the market does not move up here, it might touch here and come down, and we might see a push to the downside. But for now, this is what we are seeing in the market, and this is what we will follow. So kindly subscribe if you haven't. Kindly like this video. Drop a comment below in the comment section. Tell us the topic you want us to treat. Tell us what you want to talk about. And we might be doing some live trades very soon on the MT4 platform. And yeah, we'll do some live trade very soon on the MT4 platform, and we'll be sharing it with everyone. We're sharing it with all of us. So until then, when I see you guys, I wait for the giveaway. That one will be coming very soon. So see you on the next video, guys. Like the Williams FX we always say, let price action and the candlestick always be the judge. Until you see that price action reaction, please don't jump into the trade. Watch your candlesticks. Practice how they work. Until you see that happening, don't jump into a trade. It is just a setup. It is only a setup to take your money if you don't see price action. Wait for price action. Let it be the judge, and we'll smile at last. Peace out, guys.